Now, everyone, you can see this problem, example 14.2.6. So you have to find the mean deviation about the arithmetic mean. If I given you the x value and f value, so what you need to do, you have to find the mean deviation among arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean of this data would be sum of fx by sum of f. So you know how to find the arithmetic mean. Once you find the arithmetic mean, so you just need to calculate the mean deviation among arithmetic mean. So you will get around 1.72. See this, ask me if you have any doubt.
Sir, once pull down the mean x bar.
That is 3.88. So you have to find x minus x bar, means 1 minus 3.88, 3 minus 3.88, 5 minus 3.88, 7 minus 3.88. That you need to do for x minus x bar. And then you have to multiply that with frequency. Because I told you the formula that when you have class interval with frequency, if you want to find the mean deviation, this is the formula. If you see this question, guys, this can compute the coefficient of mean deviation about median for the following data. So they have given you the class interval, okay, and then they have given you the number of person they want to median. So you know that, right? For median, what we need to, if there's class interval with frequency given, for median, what we'll do, we'll find less than cumulative frequency, right? We'll find less than cumulative frequency, then we'll find sum of f by 2. Sum of f by 2 will be what? 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 by 2, 50 by 2 is 25. We'll see less than cumulative frequency given the next value which is bigger than 25. So the next value which is bigger than 25, we'll find it out and accordingly we'll solve this. Try this question, everyone. So I believe the logic of mean deviation is all very clear with you. Talking about standard deviation, talking about standard deviation. we'll represent standard deviation with sign called sigma. Okay, and this is a symbol of standard deviation. Remember that there's another term called variance. Variance is the square of standard deviation. Remember that variance is the square of standard deviation. So whenever we use the word variance, variance is the square of standard deviation. Always remember. So I'll represent variance with the symbol called sigma square. So if I give you raw data, if I give you raw data, if I give you what if I give you raw data, so the formula to calculate the standard deviation, if I ask, that is under root of summation of x minus bar whole square by n. This is the formula. Okay. The another formula to calculate standard deviation is summation of x square by n minus x bar square. This is the another formula to calculate the standard deviation. Clear, everyone? Similarly, if I ask you what is the formula of variance, similarly, what is the formula of variance? That is summation of x minus x bar whole square by n, or you can use summation of x square by n minus x bar square. Another formula of variance. Variance is the square of standard deviation. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
So if depend upon if you get raw data, how will you solve? So that is the way how we need to do. Variance is simply the square of standard deviation, and accordingly, if we get a question, we'll solve like this. So you can see this. Suppose this is the question: 58926. You want the standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation formula is nothing but it is standard deviation by mean into 1. Can you see this calculation, guys? Can you do this by yourself, or you want me to do this problem?
Do it, sir.
If you say okay, fine, so I'll do this. So 58926. If I'm asking you calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of variance. So if I give you some number like 58926, if I give you some number like 58926, so what you can do, you can use any formula. Okay, I told you two formulas, both the formula I'll show you. Find the sum of x. Sum of x is nothing but 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. Okay, then you will find x bar. X bar would be 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 means 6. Then you will find x minus x bar. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 6 minus 6, 0. If you do the sum of this, it is always 0. For mean deviation, what I told you, whenever you do calculation, I told you do the modulus of it. For mean deviation, what we do? We take the modulus of it. Okay, and the sum of this will give you the mean deviation. But here we are not doing mean deviation, so we don't have to find the modulus. What you can do after this, you can find x minus x bar whole square. 1, 4, 9, 16, 0. So the sum of x minus x bar square. So that would be 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 9, 29 plus 1, 30. So you will find sum of x minus x bar square, that is 30, and the n here is 5. So the standard deviation would be under root of summation of x minus x bar whole square by n. So the standard deviation would be 30 by 5. So the standard deviation would be under root of 6. That would be the value of standard deviation. Clear, everyone? Clear everyone? Any doubt anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So once you understood this, once you understood this, once you understood this, what you can do else? Okay, the another formula you can use. Other formula if I use that is x square. So you have x, you find x square. 25, 64, 81, 04, 36. You get sum of x square. So the sum of x square if I do 36 plus 4, 36 plus a 40, 40, 40.
That's a not C.
Sorry, how much you're getting?
210.
210.
210.
Okay, so the sum of x square you get 210. So the another formula standard deviation you can use sum of x square by n minus x bar square. So the sum of x square is 210 minus 5 minus x bar. X bar is 6, 6 square. The another formula standard deviation is 42 minus 36. So the value standard deviation is root 6. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if you then if I ask what is coefficient of variation, the coefficient of variation nothing but standard deviation by mean into it. So the coefficient of variation standard deviation is root 6. So mean is what? Mean is 6 into 100 into 100. So the coefficient of variation is you can write 6 as root 6 into 6 root 6 into 100. So if you write coefficient of variation is 100 by root 6, that is your fine. So I hope you are getting this. While if I give you class interval and frequency, 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 then the formula standard deviation is under root of f minus x bar whole square by sum. Okay, or the formula standard deviation is sum of fx square by sum of f minus sum of fx by sum of f whole square. So this is the formula of standard deviation. If I give you class interval with frequency, another formula standard deviation is sum of fd square by sum of f minus sum of fd by sum of f by whole square into h outside. If you follow step deviation, such where d is equal to x minus u mean by h. So see this question. Please write down this data in notebook. Then when you see the steps, you'll understand. Then everyone. Done everyone? Have you written down the problem? Now see the steps if you have class interval with frequency. Anyone, any doubt?
No, sir. See the steps, guys. Ask me if anyone have any doubt. Can we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Do this question, fifth and sixth. Coefficient of variation means standard deviation by mean into 100. Any doubt, anyone? Can you do this fifth and sixth one? You want to try this question? Question number 5, question number 6. Guys, say yes or no.
We'll try, sir.
Everyone, please try question number 5. Question number 5, you have to just find the standard deviation. So here in question number 5, if you notice, they have not given class interval and other things. Okay, like for example, let me give you a little bit idea so that you people should not get confused and all. Understand, guys, that imagine this is the question. If I talk about question number 5, how will I do? So they have given me this age. So this age is my x, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is my x, and this is my f. F is 13, 28, 13, 28, 31, then 46, then 39, then 23, then 20. I'll find the sum of f. And then if here they have not given as such any method to follow, so you can simply use any method. You can use sum of f x minus x bar whole square by sum of f, or you can follow sum of fx square by sum of f minus sum of fx by sum of f ka whole square. You can use any method. Okay, you can use any method to find the this. What is x bar here? What is x bar if you want to find? X bar is mean, no? What is x bar? X bar is mean, right? The formula of x bar would be sum of fx by sum of f. How to find x bar if you want? You find f into x. To do the sum of f into x, divide by sum of f. Are you getting this, guys? So you can use any of the formula, either this or this. You'll get the same answer. Getting it, everyone? Hello, everyone. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Then similarly for the sixth one, how will you do? Sixth one, coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation formula is standard deviation by mean into 100. So if I give you class interval and frequency, how will you find the mean? Sum of fx by sum of f. Okay, how will you find the standard deviation? Standard deviation. The standard deviation formula is sum of f x minus x bar whole square by sum of f. You know this, right? So if you simply have to find standard deviation and mean into 100, if you do, you'll get the answer. Clear, everyone? Do this question number 5 and 6.